Welcome! Today, I will be showing you a helicopter mechanic in Build a Boat for Treasure. First, you will have to place a car, seat, and a switch for later use. After that, you will have to place a block wherever you want. Build up with the scale tool and build a platform at the top. Then you will have to put balloons at each corner of the platform. Sorry it took quite a while to put the balloons in the corners. Then you make it invisible with the screwdriver tool, so people do not see it. It took a while doing this too, my bad. You can skip this part if you like. It is just putting the switch on the build. Make sure everything is connected onto the switch. Place a boat motor at the back. Make sure the boat motor is only connected to the chair and not the switch. Flick the switch and you're ready to go. I will show you how smooth it goes. Sometimes it does this, but this means you need to expand the platform. Thank you for watching my video. If you want me to build anything or show off any mechanics, say in the comments.